designing a kitchen in Design Appy. First, we're going to show you how to create a tile backsplash. The height of a backsplash is 18 inches, and then you can include the width of your base cabinets, pick the shape of the tile, put in the size and the pattern that you would like. And then you can layer it into the program. I put it behind the faucet and the window. I'm going to duplicate it, make a second section, and run it along the stove. I'm going to grab a blank wall in case I need a spacer between my hood and my countertop, and I'm going to make it the height that I need the hood off of the countertop. So it's going to be 30 inches tall. I'm going to fill it with a white color just as a placeholder, and then I'll delete it. In the hoods, I'll grab an item from the menu. You can also import something through your camera roll if you want a different design. I'm going to duplicate the tile again and then place it into the space because I want it to be higher behind the hood. I'm going to move the hood forward, and then I'm going to color the hood. I'm going to change the color of the range and the hood, and the way I'm going to match the hood to the range is by using the color selector and using a swatch. I'm going to pull from the previous color that I used so that each item is the correct color. The door is a little short, so I am going to adjust the height of the door by clicking on it and then adjusting the dimensions with the keyboard that pops up when you hit the measure button. Because I have the tile there, I know where the bottom of the upper cabinet needs to be. So I'm going to add in an upper cabinet to the right side of the window. And I'm going to change the width of it because I would like a wider cabinet. I'm going to hit enter, and then it's automatically going to size for me. The next step is to go to the dimension screen. On the dimension screen, you can use a pen and add notes or draw on the drawing. None of the objects are going to move, so you can add your details and everything is fixed. So you can see right here, I'm going to draw a line, add an arrow, and then I'm going to trigger the text function, add a note, type it in so it's nice and tidy, and then that item floats. So then you can drag it around the screen and place it wherever you would like. Then I'm going to trigger the dimensioning tool, and what you do to dimension is place the cursor where you would like it, or your pen or your finger, and then it'll blow it up and you can adjust it ever so slightly so that you can keep your notes on the sizes of each one of the items on the screen. Now that the image is dimensioned, I can continue on to the specification format. In the specification format, you can add your own logo to personalize the specification forms. You can add images of any of the products that you used in this space, and you can type in the information about the items that you have selected for your project. As you finish filling out your specification, you save your project to your camera roll or to your email. Once you have saved, you get the option to choose from a horizontal, a vertical, or a storyboard format in the top. Thank you for trying Design Appy.